Editing session templates in Practice Better is straightforward, but can get tricky if you're not familiar with the interface or the right settings. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to edit session templates in Practice Better and cover some essential tips to make your process smoother. Stick around to the end for an exclusive bonus that could improve your workflow significantly. First things first, log in to your Practice Better account and navigate to the Templates section under Settings. Here, you'll see a list of all your session templates, but to edit them, click on the one you want to modify. When you do that, it opens up the editor where you can change the content for each session. Next thing, once you're in the session editor, you'll see several blocks like Add Content, Forms, and Notes. To change any of the existing blocks, simply click on it and it will allow you to modify the text, questions, or any other content within that section. This is a great time saver when working with recurring clients since you can customize these templates for each session's specific needs. The third thing you should know is about adding forms or questionnaires. Under the Forms tab in the editor, you can select pre-made forms or build new ones. This is useful if you need to get feedback from your clients before or after the session. You can even set forms to be sent out automatically at specific intervals or as part of a session package. It's important to remember that once you've edited the template, you'll want to save it so that all your changes are reflected for future sessions. Now, let's move on to customizing session reminders. In the Session Template Editor, you can also add automatic reminders. This feature is extremely helpful if you want to ensure your clients don't forget about their sessions. You can set reminders to go out by email, and you can customize the timing so it's exactly when you want it. Remember, a good reminder system helps cut down on no-shows. The fifth thing you'll want to pay attention to is session links. Practice Better lets you set the duration of each session in the template. This is handy if you've got a standardized session format, like a 45-minute coaching call. But be sure to review each session template for accuracy. Sometimes templates are set up with default durations that may not match your actual sessions. Finally, after editing your session template, it's crucial to test it. The best way to do this is by saving it and then creating a mock session using the new template. This will give you a better idea of how the changes look and feel when used in real practice. It's a small step that can save you a lot of time and headache later on. That wraps up how to edit session templates in Practice Better. While it's a solid platform for managing your sessions and client templates, it's not perfect for everyone. Practice Better lacks some deep customization options and flexibility for high-volume users, and it might feel a bit limiting when managing large groups or scaling your practice. Now, for an exclusive bonus, I've linked a special, extended free trial for Practice Better down below. But here's the kicker, there are some amazing alternatives that might be a better fit for your goals, and they also come with a free trial. These platforms offer more customization and scalability for growing practices, and I've listed them below with the best trial offers only available to our viewers. Make sure to grab your free trial through our link and unlock those exclusive benefits today.